Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is Shoplifting Maniac runs into the chillest cop ever, man. I hope he ain't too soft, man. Come on now. He got it, you know, be cool, but not too soft now.
On May 11th, 2023, officers in New Jersey arrested a shoplifter who was caught moments after trying to steal an entire shopping cart worth of merchandise.
I think Carol's cooking there, and I believe fire's,
Sir, stop!
cleared up.
Stop! Stop running! Stop running! Sir, stop running! Why are you running? Why are you running?
You're chasing me.
I'm chasing you.
What do you mean?
Okay, come here. Relax, relax. What's going on? Take your hands out of your pocket now. Take your hands out of your pocket.
Get my hands
What's
out.
wrong?
Nothing. You chasing me.
I'm chasing you.
I'm scared.
What are you scared about?
Because I don't like cops.
Okay,
I'm scared
that's
of
fine.
cops.
All right. Well, listen. What's going on? Why'd you just drop all your stuff?
Because you chased me.
Where'd you come from?
I came out of the store looking for my friend.
5114-237. I'm going to be out with that gentleman. Keep your hands out of your pockets.
Pockets.
Okay.
Please.
Listen. Turn around.
No,
Turn around. Sir, I'm being polite with you. I'm not shooting you.
Listen.
Relax. Relax. What I want you to do is I want you to turn
You're
around.
gonna have to kill me.
Listen.
You're gonna have to kill me. For real.
No, I'm not going to do
You're gonna
that.
have to kill me.
Listen.
You're gonna have to kill me.
No.
Yeah, you're gonna have to kill me.
I'm going to ask you to turn
I'm
around.
gonna
We
reach
can
in.
do this.
I'm gonna reach in my pocket.
You're not going to reach in your
You're gonna
pocket.
have to kill me. You're
No.
gonna have to kill me.
Listen.
You're gonna have to kill me.
I just need you to
Now
turn
listen,
around.
You're gonna have to kill me. You're
Okay.
gonna have to kill me.
All right. Well, then.
Listen, I'm not going
listen,
to
I
jail.
need a name.
Listen, I'm not going to jail.
All right. Well, that's to be determined.
Listen,
Okay. Listen.
I'm
You
not
said
going-
you didn't do anything
listen,
wrong, right?
Listen, I don't like.
Right.
Listen,
You said you didn't do anything wrong, right?
Listen.
So listen.
I'm not going to jail.
Okay.
I'm not going to jail.
All right.
Listen, you're not putting cuffs on me. You're
Okay.
not locking me up.
Well, no,
You're not-
listen.
You're not. Yo,
You
look.
need to chill.
Yo,
Keep
listen,
your hands
bro,
out of your pockets now.
Listen.
Keep your hand out of your pocket.
Get off me.
Absolutely.
Get off me. Get off me.
Keep your hands out of your
Get
pocket.
off me. Get off me. Yo, listen. Get off me.
Chill.
Get off me.
Chill.
Get off me. Get
No,
off me.
You stay out
Get
of
off
it.
me. Get off me.
Relax, sir.
Get off me.
Sir,
Yo,
relax.
listen. Get off me.
Relax.
Get off me. Get off me.
Relax.
Please get off me. Please
No,
get off
I'm
me.
not getting off you.
Yo, boy.
You need to chill out. You need to chill out.
Yo,
Sir, stop.
yo, you're gonna get off me.
Stop.
You're gonna get off me.
I'm not
You're
getting
gonna
off
get
you.
You're gonna get off me. You're gonna get off me. Yo, you're gonna get the fuck off me.
Sir, relax. Relax.
You're gonna get off me. You're gonna get off me. You're gonna get off me. You're
off.
gonna get off me. You're gonna get off me. Man, wait. Yeah.
You need to chill out.
Yo,
You
chill.
need to chill.
Chill, man.
You
Chill.
need to relax.
Chill. I'm not going to
Off
jail.
me.
I'm not going to jail, bro.
Off.
I'm not going to jail, bro. I'm not going to jail, bro.
All right, you need to get off.
I'm not going to jail, bro.
Okay.
I'm not going to
You know, typically I would be like, you know, more animated. You know how I get. You know how we get. But something just don't feel right, man. Something really doesn't feel right with this guy. This guy is part of me is like, you know, yeah, you don't want to act right, they gonna get you to act right, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? And all of that good stuff that we do over here. But then the other part of me is like, man, this cop, I feel like could have really did him in already. Like, you feel me? Could have really gave him that work. But you know, the guy, just something not clicking all the way up here. And a part of me is like, I kind of feel bad for the guy. Like a small part of me is like, damn, is it a deeper issue here? Because you just see how he started getting, you know, like antsy when he's like, I'm not going to jail. I'm not going. It kind of reminds me of like maybe like a kid with a disability or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But like, it just, his mind isn't, it's not really like there, you know? But, you know, if you put your hands on the cop, hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We're going to rock and roll. But it's just something don't feel right with this incident as far as the other guy's mental.
jail, bro. I'm not going to jail, bro.
Get off my gun.
I'm not going
Do
to jail,
not
bro.
touch my gun.
I'm not going to jail, bro.
nah, boy.
Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me.
104, you're gonna have to come to your code
Yo,
too.
get off me, please. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get the
Chill
fuck
out.
off me. Get the fuck 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 off me. Yo, I'm about to... I'm telling you. Fuck. Fuck. Dude. Fuck you.
All right, make it. Relax. I need you to chill out.
Yo, forgive. You fuck me. Tell you get the fuck on me. Yo, fuck you. Yo.
Listen,
Yo,
you gotta relax.
Yo, look.
Okay, I need you to relax.
You have to kill me.
No,
You have
that's
to
not gonna.
kill me.
Absolutely
you
not.
have to kill me.
Nope.
You're gonna have to kill me.
Nope.
Tell you. You have to kill me.
Give me your hands.
You're gonna have to kill me. No, you're gonna have to Yo, look. Yo, you Yo, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Sir,
Fuck you. Fuck
I need your other arm. You
Fuck
gotta give me your other arm.
Fuck you.
I'm gonna.
Fuck you.
All right.
Yo, get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me. Fuck you. I'm telling you, shoot me.
Nope,
Shoot
not
me.
gonna do that.
No, kill me, motherfucker. No, tell you. You'll kill me right now. Fuck me. You, man.
Give me your other arm.
No, fuck you.
Give me your other arm. Give me your other arm. Give me your other arm.
Kill me. Kill me. Fuck, kill me. Give me your arm. Kill me right now. Fuck, kill me right now.
I was literally just about to pause it until I seen this guy. I'm like, yo, where the heck is backup? Where's the nearest car? Like, what is going on here? This guy, I feel like he's been wrestling with him forever.
Kill me right now. Fuck you. Fuck you.
No compliance.
Fuck you.
Give me your other arm.
Fuck you. 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 Fuck you.
There you go.
Fuck you.
You guys.
Yo. Fuck you. Get off me.
Stop kicking.
Get off me. Get off me. Get off me.
All right.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Check him, son. Check him.
Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Ah. Ah.
Listen, we need you to calm down.
Fuck you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yo, get off me. 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 Get fuck off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me.
We have them in cuffs.
Fuck off me. Get off me. Get off me.
What are you trying to grab?
Make sure
You good?
there's nothing in his pockets.
I'm checking.
Fuck. Kill me right now.
Nobody's killing you. Listen, nobody's killing you.
5104.
We just need to relax.
Kill me right now, please. Kill me right now. Kill me
You're not
right
getting
now.
killed.
Kill me right now. Kill me right now. Kill me. Friend.
I think that what makes you think that he wants to, off himself? Because I feel like deep down, he really didn't want to, really fight with the cops, but, he would do anything not to go back to jail. And the reason why I say go back to jail is because I'm pretty sure this guy has been there before, so, and probably had a traumatic experience. You hear me? Probably dropped the soap, all types of stuff going on in there. But nah, hey, it gets crazy in there. You hear me? Hey, don't work the overnight shift, boy. You be hearing all types of stuff going on in there, boy. But anyway, it be your biggest gangsters too. It be you know what I'm saying? They be getting crazy in there with them. But anyway, I'm sure he had a traumatic experience. Oh shit. Oh God. I'm sure he had a traumatic experience in there that he really don't want to experience again. Because I feel like, you know, he doesn't want to fight with the cops, really. But he would do anything not to go back in there. You know, that's why he like, yo, you gonna have to off me. You know, he putting his hands in his pocket when the officer said, don't put your hand in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Just to do anything to try and, you know, get the cop to react in a crazy way, you know? And, yeah, like there's something going on here that he didn't, but the cop, you know, honestly, he did a good job. He was level-headed for the most part, you know, and yeah, I think the cop did a pretty good job, man.
Kill me right now. Kill me right now.
Sit up. We got an ambulance coming.
Here's your money.
Yeah.
Here's your drugs. Stand up.
Okay.
Stand up.
I can't, fuck it. That's where's this fucking twist?
You want to go him against your,
Let's put him on a curb.
just give him the shade.
My wrist is fucking straight up.
This is all his stuff.
Hey, get my mag. Secure that.
My wrist is straight.
Got an ambulance
We got an
coming.
ambulance coming to check you out.
Yeah.
Nobody's gonna hurt you. All right?
Yeah.
Take a couple deep breaths. Sit up straight. Get some air into your lungs.
Can you fix my right cuff?
I can't fix you right now.
It's twisted
I
up.
can't. Well, listen, I would have been nice to you if you weren't like that. But you started fighting with me, right? If you weren't fighting with me, this would have gone a better way.
What are you talking about now?
That's all his stuff. There's the shopping cart over there with the hampers.
Boys over there, he's gonna get away with a whole bunch of merchandise.
What's that?
My boys over there, he's gonna get away with a whole bunch of
What about the merchandise?
It's an Volvo, green Volvo.
You have a green Volvo?
Green Volvo.
Okay, did you pay for that stuff? No?
Yeah, he's a boy Jamal
Okay.
sold.
Well, who did?
Jamal.
You did?
Jamal.
Okay.
The other boy.
I'm not worried about them right now. I'm worried about you, okay? We're gonna make sure you're all right. What's that? Absolutely not.
See, that's what I mean. Dude starts snitching on Jamal. He ain't even asked him nothing. You know what I'm saying? He doing anything and everything to try and get out of from going to jail.
That's not what we're here for, sir. We're here to make sure stuff like this doesn't happen and then go as least physical with you as possible. Okay? Sit up. I want you to sit up. This is a better way you're gonna get the air in. Yep, you'll be fine.
We get him checked?
Yeah, he's bloodied and he hit his head on the way down.
Okay. What's your name? What's your name? You don't know your name?
My thing is this, like I can't, like, you know, like you don't want to
Yeah, I know.
you don't want to do that, you know? So that's why I was like, all right, I got to do this the right way, all like techniques. So I was able to get that.
He actually physically grabbed your gun?
Yeah.
I mean, at that point, it's game over.
Well, I was going to spray him, but I was like, I can handle it without it. You know what I mean? It's all good, dude. I'm just happy you're okay right now, okay? You're going to get the help you need. You got it? All right. Nope, not going to happen, right? We're going to get you the help you need, hopefully.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.